Today we got a video from Arrest Cam, and the title of the video is Female Officer Froze When Physical Altercation Started.
This is a 39-year-old male named Jordan. On August 31st, 2025, officers responded to a call at Sharky's restaurant in Panama City Beach, Florida. According to the report, the shirtless male was acting belligerent and refusing to leave.
What's going on? Where's he at?
Behind the bar. Still on property.
This him? Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Yeah, we agree. You don't have to just...
Hey, dude, you will get f***ed up real quick.
Fighting one!
You want you to close that traffic stop out?
Recording.
With a warning.
Mark.
Get over here and help. Get him.
Wait, what did he say? Did he say get over here and help? Oh, wait, hold on.
Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Yeah, we agree. You don't have to just...
Hey, dude, you will get f***ed up real quick.
Fighting one!
You want you to close that traffic stop out?
Recording.
With a warning.
Mark.
Get over here and help.
Wow. Get over here and help. Oh, wow. He trying to get them together.
You don't have to just...
Hey, dude, you will get
She don't know what to
f***ed up
do.
real quick.
Fighting one!
You want you to close that traffic stop out?
Recording.
With a warning.
Mark.
Get over here and help. Get him.
All right. You don't have to physically touch me.
Put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands on your back now!
What the f*** y'all doing,
Get my
dude?
radio.
All right.
Get on your face. Get on your face.
Why are you...
Get on your
Cuff him. Why she ain't cuffing him? His hands is behind his back.
I already told the dudes I was leaving.
But you're not leaving.
Yeah, we were. We were...
When I tell you to come on and come with me and you pull away,
Dude, you pushed
push
me
back
by the
towards
neck.
me, I'm going to push back at you. Do you understand?
Okay, yeah, you pushed me over the neck.
Sorry, Chick, I was trying to get it out.
Like, yeah, I told him I was like, all right, I'll leave, but I don't think I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything wrong. You didn't have to come like that hard like that, bro.
You ain't gotta come that hard like that.
I told them I could leave, and they said, all right, and then
Should have
they
acted
came up
right.
all intense.
Hold on, what you got?
I'm a cop. You good?
Yeah, we're good.
Do you mind picking up all the bullets?
Yeah, he grabbed hold of my gun.
No, they're all over the place.
You grabbed my fucking gun. Leave him right there. Hold on. Leave him right there. Yeah.
I was trying to rip out, I was trying to get the tasers out of me.
I am armed. That's
You're good.
You need this and I can hold him.
Alright. You got any weapons on you, dude?
No. This whole thing was about a girl,
Did he just pop
looking at
the spring out of the bottom of it? Is that what he did?
Yeah, your whole mag.
No, it ain't either.
Your mag, yes.
me. She tackled me out of nowhere, dude.
No,
I was talking to the employees, and I said, all right, let's go.
It's not very intelligent to fight with the police, dude.
Well, then, like, why are you coming at me, grabbing my throat for no reason, dude?
I told you, let's go, let's leave. Did you not hear me talk?
Yeah, right.
Probably because you're inebriated.
Right as you grabbed me by my goddamn throat,
I
dude.
grabbed you by the arm. And you know why I'm happy that the incident turned out the way that it did now? You grabbed my gun. Could have been a lot worse.
Dude, I didn't know where your gun was. I was just trying to get these tasers out of my goddamn skin.
You hadn't been tased yet.
Oh, I got
When that
tased.
happened, you was not tased.
Oh, I felt the tase.
You got tased after you grabbed for my gun.
Dude, I don't know where your gun was. I wouldn't grab your gun. I swear to God, I didn't know
So
where your gun was.
these daggum rounds just mysteriously popped out of this mag?
It happened in the tussle, dude. I really wouldn't grab.
So why would you tussle with a fucking cop?
Because you tussled.
In what fucking universe does that make sense?
Bro, you tussled with me. It's instinct.
Instinct.
It's not instinct, bro.
I swear to God, you started pushing me and like pushing me by my neck.
If you need help getting in the car, I don't mind.
Hey, Russell.
Look, I told the guys here. I said, yeah, I guess I'll go. One guy was mad.
Why are we just sitting here? Can somebody explain that to me? Why are we just sitting here on the? Are they waiting for the medics to come to maybe to clear them or something? But get them up. Let's get them out of the scene. Like I don't understand what's going on here.
Because his wife wouldn't stop looking at me, and I couldn't help that.
Listen to me.
I couldn't help
When
that.
I grab this arm right here and say, come on, let's go, and you buck back,
No, you push.
and you push back towards me,
You push me.
that's when I'm going to retaliate.
You push me.
don't push up against the cops. You don't fucking jerk against the cops.
Let's not pretend like you didn't push me by my neck and push me back in reverse and have me catch my balance.
Okay.
Come on, be honest, dude.
They're gonna come. Patio. You're good, Shanko. Do what you need to do.
I told him, I said, hey, look, I gotta get my wallet. I need to grab my wallet.
21 to a beach supervisor. I'm about to take this one across. If y'all want me to take that one across for you, I've got a.
This is completely unnecessary. I was drinking a beer, and a dude got
Will
mad.
you check his pocket for a green phone? There's a lady saying he might have stolen a phone on the screen. I don't think it's that one. I don't know. He might not have one.
You want to send them over or anything? Or just leave them?
They're gonna bring the truck right here.
Look at that, man. I feel like everybody in law enforcement got an Under Armour shirt with the flag on it, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. It's only right. It's only right. There we go. It's only right, man. It's only right. You know what I'm saying, man?
We're gonna throw him in there. That doesn't have a cage. Yep. All right, man. Sit up. Your ride's here.
521, you got me. 10-9, I'm out here on 46.
Arrested because why am I being arrested, dude? I don't know. You call it a cop.
You got a bunch of felonies now, bud.
He came and grabbed me with my goddamn truck for no reason.
Yeah.
Check it out. Come on to the other side.
36 that way.
Yeah, I mean,
No, he's 58.
What's he about?
58.
1054, keep me local, 1027 south.
we can loosen that one.
That's up to them, man. I'm not doing it.
It's up to them. Don't move your wrists and stuff. I'm going to take you across the street, okay? Because I can get a finger in there right now. You just got your hands twisted in there, okay? All right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I can get a finger in there, but the way you got your hands twisted, that's why it's pulling on you.
I
Okay?
don't know how to fix it.
Well, I can't technically fix it. You're going to have to... Let me see your... Try to keep them like that, all right? Spin around for me. All right, look, I'm going to reach around you and put this seatbelt on. No, sit back like you're going to sit in the car. I know you suck. Okay?
Yeah, I've been arrested before. I really wasn't doing anything, man.
I don't know what happened. I just came down here to pick you up, okay?
A woman wouldn't stop looking at me, and her husband said, if you look at him one more time. They asked me to leave, and I said, I'm not doing anything illegal. I said, all right, fine, I'll leave. And then as soon as we said that, dude came up, the cop came up and started grabbing me by my fucking chest and neck and pushing me back. So, like, I reacted to, like, stop him from doing that,
Okay. All right. Well, like I said, appreciate you letting me know. I have no idea. I just got here, so I don't know the whole situation.
I got a daughter on the spectrum. She's about to move here. Like, I can't be.
Are you living down here now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I live here. Like, I can't be arrested for some woman checking me out and, like, some misunderstanding. This is ridiculous.
Okay. We'll try to get it all figured out here shortly, okay?
Please don't arrest me. Like, I gotta get my kids here. Man.
All right.
Please.
Sorry, man. I was trying to grab him.
Yeah, thanks, man. I'll get you. Are you eating right here?
Yeah.
What's your first name?
Grant.
Grant?
Yeah.
I'm Chase.
Nice to meet you.
I've never seen somebody dislodge the
That's
spring off the back of that.
Does it have
Ever.
an extension on it or just regular base plate?
Nope, just regular.
That's weird.
My extension stuff's on my SWAT kit.
So it's maybe partially off.
When I felt him reaching for that, that's
No,
when I was like,
saw
yo.
that, and that's when you
Then
were
he
like,
grabbed my radio.
I was trying to grab this when you were like, get in here. I wasn't about to fight him when he's trying to get a gun.
Yeah, I was sitting down at the wall of the bar and I thought I heard a taser. So that's when I started coming over.
I think I tased him like 3 times. And he was not.
North Alabama.
I got him 2 in the lower back.
Yeah, I was.
All right, boss, we're gonna go into this vehicle right here. So you'll have more room, but the ceiling is low, so when you get up, just make sure you duck your head real low. See? I have no idea where you park, bud.
Right here.
I mean, if you paid for parking pass, they're not gonna tell you till the parking pass expires. So do me a favor, duck your head. It's really low in there, like really low. All right, thanks, sir. I'll turn on the AC for you.
All right, so this is what you're being charged with. Battery on a law enforcement officer, all right? Resisting with violence. You resisted a law enforcement officer with violence by aggressing towards me and doing the nature of the things that you did. By grabbing my handgun, grabbing my freaking radio, dislodging my magazine, sending my ammunition flying all over the patio deck. You're being charged with that. That's the resisting with violence. Do you understand that? All right? I'm additionally charging you with depriving a law enforcement officer of his means of the use of a communication device, my radio, because you had my freaking radio in your hand where I couldn't talk on it. All right? Those are the only 3 charges I'm hitting you with. I was going to hit you with disorderly intox. I was also going to hit you with disorderly conduct. I was also going to hit you with trespassing on a property after having been warned to leave. All right? I saved you 3 charges. Not that it's a big deal, but I did take that into consideration. All right? Do you understand that? You are not allowed back on the property of Sharky's as per request of the Sharky's property owner. Do you understand that? You can never go back there ever again. This is your trespass warning. If you're back on those premises, you will be arrested. Do you understand that? All right. Mr. Jordan, do you have any questions for me? You're arrested right now, yes, sir. I just read you what you were under arrest for and what you're being charged with and why you're going to jail. I can tell you that you never want to grab a police officer's gun.
Is he combative?
Not anymore, but that's because he got his ass whooped and tased twice. Well, technically 3 times. All right, boss, come on out. Just get down real slow right here. Oh, just get down real slow right here. We're gonna go towards that open door.
In the end, Jordan was charged with resisting an officer with violence, battery on a law enforcement officer, and depriving an officer with means of protection or communication. He later pled no contest to all charges and his adjudication was withheld. He was sentenced to 36 months of probation and ordered to complete 100 hours of community service. He was also ordered to pay $1,380 in costs and fines. If you like this
Dang. What'd you think about the lady cop, man? Did she drop the ball or did she get them together? The guy was like, get over here. Like, she did freeze. I ain't gonna lie. She did freeze. But overall, the officer did a good job. The cop that was a civilian, that was in civilian clothes, it's good that he came over and helped. It is what it is. She froze, but overall, the guy cop, I would say, he gets, he did a good job. So, he asked him to leave. He didn't want to leave. Got him together. Simple as that, man. So you get a 5 from me. But the lady cop, let me know in the comment section how well you think she did. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.